Part 2. Matthew accidentally pressed the stop button. Hold it from here.
Because of the way that you passed it to me.
Continue until the margarine is completely melted. Stirring consistently and evenly everywhere. Next, you will need the flavor packets. You open them over top so that they don't spread everywhere, and you kind of sprinkle it everywhere inside.
Use this?
Yes, it will help prevent clumping. Not clotting, clumping.
Clotting and clumping are almost the same.
Once you have added the flavor packets, you make sure you throw away the excess stuff so that it's not making a mess. Now that it's thrown away, you pick up the milk, you open the milk, and you pour an even stream around about. Round about. Okay, careful not to pour it on the stove. Yeah. Put it down. Take the stir and you're going to blend until there's no more clumps. Now once you have it fully and completely blended so that everywhere has sauce on it, you are going to want to turn this off. And you're going to be scooping everything in here into there.
With this?
Yes. Start adjusting it, because this is heavy. And I should really not be doing this with one hand, but
that should be enough.
Get it all. Okay. No, keep that. You're going to need that. You're going to need to stir it.
I'm trying to move out of your way, actually.
So that it does not stick or cause damage to the frying pan, you immediately add hot water to the frying pan, which will cause the dirt on it to dissolve quickly.
I'm stirring.
And while that is happening, Matthew is blending the meat with the rest of the food.
Oh, it's turning slightly reddish.
That means you're blending it properly.
This is just making me hungrier.
And then that looks pretty good. And here you have Italian style mac and cheese. Oh, you're going to use that for serving.
Oh,
There's no point in making more dirty dishes if you don't need to.
Good thing I did all the plates first.
I'm fine either way. You're going to need 3 plates because there's 3 people.
I know. I'm grabbing them one by one. Because that's slightly bit.
Now when you're serving, you pick up the plate, you hold it in one hand, and you put it near the pot, and then you dump it in.
Like this?
Yeah.
How you taught me to do it a couple weeks ago?
Yeah. And there you go.
This is... How much do you want?
That should be good.
Okay.
Thank you.